Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best kitchen products to help you make the smartest choices. Today, we're taking a closer look at the T-fal Perfection Hard Enamel 10-3/4 inch Saute pan, a standout in its class. If you've been on the hunt for a durable, versatile, and stylish Saute pan, this might just be the one you need in your kitchen. First off, let's talk about the design. The T-fal Perfection Saute pan features a sleek black exterior with a hard porcelain enamel finish. This gives it a modern look that's both durable and resistant to scratches. The pan's design doesn't just stop at aesthetics, it also provides outstanding performance in the kitchen. The interior is coated with a non-stick surface that mimics the look and feel of granite, ensuring easy cooking and effortless cleaning. Whether you're searing, frying, or making a delicate sauce, this Saute pan offers even heat distribution for a consistent cooking experience. One of the unique features of this Saute pan is the copper disc at the bottom. This innovation activates a red spot when the pan is preheated, giving you a visual cue to ensure that you're cooking at the right temperature every time. If you're tired of guessing when your pan is properly heated, this clever feature will take away the uncertainty. But what about comfort and ease of use? The T-fal Perfection Saute pan is equipped with stay cool handles, which means you don't have to worry about burning your hand while cooking. These handles are designed for a firm grip and are complemented with stylish nickel inserts. Not only do these handles make the pan easy to maneuver, but they're also oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds versatility to your cooking. Cleaning up after a great meal is never a hassle with this pan. Its non-stick interior makes it simple to wipe clean. And since it's dishwasher safe, you can simply toss it in the dishwasher for a more thorough cleaning if you prefer. But keep in mind that to maintain its longevity, using a mild dishwashing method without harsh chemicals will preserve its non-stick coating and keep the pan in top shape for years to come. Speaking of longevity, the T-fal Perfection Saute pan comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing it's built to last. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this pan will serve you well in creating all kinds of delicious dishes. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a Saute pan that combines durability, style, and performance, the T-fal Perfection Hard Enamel 10-3/4 inch Saute pan is an excellent choice. It offers all the features you need to cook with confidence, and with its lifetime warranty. It's an investment that will pay off in your kitchen for years to come. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.